Blueland. Meet Sarah Pageau and Syed Naqvi, the brains behind Blueland. Sarah, a Harvard grad and serial entrepreneur, was tired of the endless plastic waste from cleaning products. She teamed up with Syed, a chemical engineer, to find a solution. They spent countless hours in Sarah's kitchen, perfecting a formula for non-toxic cleaning tablets that dissolve in reusable glass bottles. But despite their great idea, they faced challenges in scaling production and spreading their message. So they went on Shark Tank, seeking help. In Season 11, Episode 1, they wowed the sharks. Kevin O'Leary offered $270,000 for 3% equity, and they eagerly accepted. Blueland took off, making $15 million in sales. Their eco-friendly cleaning products struck a chord with people wanting to reduce plastic waste. Now, Blueland products are widespread across the US and even gaining global attention. No major controversies have hit Blueland so far. Sarah and Syed's partnership with Kevin O'Leary is still strong. Cousins Maine Lobster, Jim Salikas and Sabin Lomack, the founders of Cousins Maine Lobster, grew up in Maine and shared a love for fresh, delicious lobster. After moving to California, they missed the taste of home and decided to bring Maine lobster to the West Coast. Their idea? A food truck that serves authentic Maine lobster dishes. They started with one truck, but the demand was huge. However, scaling up wasn't easy. In Season 4, Episode 6, they pitched their business. Barbara Corcoran saw their passion and potential and invested $55,000 for a 15% stake. Cousins Maine Lobster expanded rapidly. It now has food trucks and brick-and-mortar restaurants across the U.S., generating $20 million in sales. The brand became a national sensation, bringing the taste of Maine to neighborhoods everywhere. Cousins Maine Lobster has had a smooth journey with no major controversies. Bubbas Q. Bubba Baker, a former professional football player, turned his passion for BBQ into a thriving business. After retiring from the NFL, Bubba launched Bubbas Q, a series of signature sauces and dry rubs. His recipes quickly won over BBQ lovers across the country. Despite the delicious products, Bubba couldn't expand his business, so he took his sauces to Shark Tank. In Season 5, Episode 11, Bubba made his pitch, and Damon John was impressed by his dedication and the quality of his sauces. Damon invested $300,000 for a 30% stake. Bubbas Q then soared to success, racking up $16 million in sales. The signature sauces and rubs have since become favorites among BBQ enthusiasts nationwide, solidifying the brand as a household name. Love Pop. Wombi Rose and John Wise are the creative minds behind Love Pop. These two friends, who met at Harvard, wanted to make greeting cards truly special. They combined their engineering skills with their love for art to create stunning 3D pop-up cards for every occasion. Starting out, they faced the challenge of getting their unique cards noticed in a crowded market. In Season 7, Episode 11, they showcased their intricate designs, impressing Kevin O'Leary so much that he invested $300,000 for a 15% stake. In time, Love Pop's sales skyrocketed, reaching $22 million. Their beautiful pop-up cards became a hit, turning ordinary greetings into memorable experiences for people worldwide. Mission Belt. Meet Nate Holzapfel, Zach Holzapfel, and Jeff Jensen, the founders of Mission Belt. They created a unique belt without holes that adjusts with a simple release lever, making it stylish and practical. But they didn't stop there. They decided to donate $1 from every belt sold to fund loans for small business owners in over 80 developing countries. In Season 4, Episode 23, they pitched their belt. Damon John saw their potential and offered $50,000 for a 37.5% stake, and they accepted. Mission Belt's sales soared to $8.2 million. Bala Bengals. Natalie Holloway and Max Kislevitz are the creative duo behind Bala Bengals. They designed stylish wrist weights in various colors and patterns, making workouts both fun and fashionable. Their goal was to create a more comfortable alternative to traditional wrist weights. Starting out, they faced the challenge of getting their unique product noticed, so in Season 11, Episode 13, they presented their innovative bangles. Maria Sharapova and Mark Cuban were impressed and jointly invested $900,000 for a 30% stake. With their backing, Bala Bengals sales surged to $2.5 million. Sandcloud. Brandon Liebel, Bruno Ashidamini, and Stephen Ford are the founders of Sandcloud, a company that creates lightweight beach towels made from Turkish cotton, designed with sustainability in mind. But their mission goes beyond towels. They aim to help save marine life through eco-friendly products and packaging. In Season 8, Episode 18, they presented their eco-friendly towels. Robert Herjavec saw the potential and invested $200,000 for a 15% stake. Thanks to the move, Sandcloud's sales skyrocketed to $20 million. Phone soap. Phone soap is the brainchild of Wesley Laporte and Dan Barnes. They developed a revolutionary device that combines a smartphone charger with a UV light sterilizer. This gadget kills 99.9% of germs on your phone's surface while it charges, using a unique case that envelops the phone for thorough sterilization. The idea stemmed from their concern about the cleanliness of everyday devices. They knew that phones harbored many germs and wanted to create a solution that was both effective and convenient. In Season 6, Episode 24, phone soap was showcased on Shark Tank. Lori Greiner recognized the potential and invested $300,000 for a 10% stake. In the years that followed, phone soap sales soared to an impressive $150 million. Bottle Breacher. Meet Eli and Jen Crane, the founders of Bottle Breacher. Eli, a former Navy SEAL, and Jen, his supportive wife, created a unique bottle opener crafted from decommissioned .50 caliber bullets. This veteran-owned company not only offers a stylish way to open bottles, but also gives back a portion of each sale, supports nonprofit military organizations. The idea for Bottle Breacher came from Eli's military background and passion for craftsmanship. After leaving the Navy, he wanted to continue serving his fellow veterans and found a creative way to do so. In Season 6, Episode 8, they impressed Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary, who jointly invested $150,000 for a 20% stake in Bottle Breacher. With Mark and Kevin's support, Bottle Breacher's sales soared to $15 million. Bantam Bagels. Nick and Elise Oleksak launched Bantam Bagels, taking the beloved bagel to a new level by creating mini, bite-sized bagel balls filled with cream cheese. These freezer-friendly treats quickly became a favorite for snack lovers everywhere. Bantam Bagels was born out of Nick and Elise's love for bagels and innovation. They wanted to offer a convenient and delicious twist on a classic breakfast item that people could enjoy anytime. Nick and Elise pitched their idea on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 6, Episode 11. Lori Greiner saw the potential in their unique bagel bites and invested $275,000 for a 25% stake in Bantam Bagels. Bantam Bagels' annual sales have since reached an impressive $20 million. Everlywell. Julia Cheeks, the visionary founder of Everlywell, revolutionized the medical testing industry by offering at-home sample collection and lab testing kits for over 30 ailments, including recent additions like COVID-19 tests. Julia's inspiration came from personal experiences with healthcare and a desire to empower individuals to take control of their health. She saw an opportunity to simplify the process of lab testing and provide reliable results from the comfort of her home. Julia pitched Everlywell on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 9, Episode 12. Lori Greiner invested $1 million for a 5% stake in the company, growing it to a valuation of $2.9 billion. Grace and Lace. Rick and Melissa Hinnant, the founders of Grace and Lace, started their company as a women's clothing and accessories company. They initially gained attention for their lacy socks, which perfectly complemented women's boots. At some point in their journey, Rick and Melissa needed investment to expand their business. This led them to appear in Season 5, Episode 10, where Barbara Corcoran invested $175,000 for a 10% stake in the company. With time, Grace and Lace's sales soared to $20 million. Dropstop, meet Mark Neuberger and Jeffrey Simon, the creators of Dropstop. They invented a simple yet ingenious solution to a common annoyance, the car seat gap. Dropstop is a car seat gap filler that fits snugly between your car seat and the center console, preventing items like keys, phones, or even snacks from falling into that hard-to-reach space while you're driving. Mark and Jeffrey were inspired to create Dropstop after experiencing frustration with items constantly slipping into the car seat gap. They pitched Dropstop on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 4, Episode 20. Lori Greiner invested $300,000 for a 20% stake in the company, catapulting them to sales of $24 million in the years that followed. GrooveBook. Julie and Brian Whiteman, the founders of GrooveBook, developed an innovative app that allowed social media users to select photos for printing and receive them in customized photo books. Julie and Brian's idea stemmed from their own desire to print and organize their digital photos conveniently. The duo pitched GrooveBook on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 5, Episode 13. Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary saw the potential and invested $150,000 for 80% of the licensing rights to the app. With the support from Mark and Kevin, GrooveBook gained momentum and caught the attention of Shutterfly, which acquired the company in 2015 for $14.5 million. The acquisition marked GrooveBook as a successful innovation in digital photo management. GrooveBook's journey is remembered as a success story despite its eventual discontinuation in 2022. Stasher Bags. Kat Nouri is the sole founder of Stasher Bags. She created reusable food storage bags made from food-grade silicone, offering a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic bags. Stasher bags come in various shapes and sizes, catering to eco-conscious consumers looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Kat's inspiration for Stasher bags came from a desire to eliminate plastic waste in everyday life. She envisioned a durable, convenient, and eco-friendly solution for storing food without harming the planet. Despite her innovative product, Kat needed investment to scale her business. She pitched Stasher Bags on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 9, Episode 16. Mark Cuban recognized the growing demand for sustainable products and invested $400,000 for a 15% stake in the company. Stasher Bags proliferated, achieving $12 million in annual revenue. Safe Grabs. Cindy Lee is the founder of Safe Grabs, a company that creates silicone mats that serve multiple purposes. Fitting in microwaves under bowls and plates to handle hot dishes safely and prevent burns. Cindy's inspiration for Safe Grabs came from her own experiences in the kitchen, where handling hot dishes was a common challenge. She aimed to create a practical solution that enhances kitchen safety and convenience. She pitched Safe Grabs on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 8, Episode 5. Lori Greiner recognized the potential of Cindy's multifunctional silicone mats and invested $75,000 for a 25% stake in the company. Safe Grabs eventually achieved $5 million in sales, and its silicone mats have since become a staple in kitchens. They offer a simple yet effective solution for handling hot dishes safely. The Books. Meet John Tabis, the founder of The Books. He revolutionized the flower industry with an online platform that connects customers directly with eco-friendly flower farms, eliminating intermediaries and reducing prices by up to 80%. John's inspiration for The Books came from wanting to offer fresh, sustainably sourced flowers at affordable prices. By partnering directly with farms, he ensured customers received high-quality flowers while supporting sustainable practices. He initially pitched on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 5, Episode 27. While details of the initial investment weren't disclosed, Robert Herjavec later invested in the company, helping it grow. The Books achieved $100 million in sales, and their model disrupted the traditional flower supply chain, making fresh and sustainable flowers accessible to customers nationwide. Bombus. David Heath and Randy Goldberg founded Bombus with a mission to redefine socks with a focus on comfort and philanthropy. They discovered that socks are one of the most needed items at homeless shelters, inspiring them to create a brand where every pair sold results in a donation to those in need. Starting with a commitment to quality and social impact, David and Randy aimed to provide socks that prioritized comfort and durability and made a tangible difference in the lives of homeless individuals. To grow their impactful business, they pitched Bombus on Shark Tank, appearing in Season 6, Episode 1. Damon John saw the potential of their unique business model and invested $200,000 for a 17.5% stake in the company. Bombus has since achieved remarkable success, reaching $1 billion in lifetime sales. If you like this content, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel to be notified for new content. As always, thanks for watching.